Hello and welcome guys to the second part of matrices where we will solve sums based on matrices. In the first part we have already covered the introduction to matrices and the concepts regarding matrices that you need to know. So if you haven't watched that video yet, go watch it. The link to that video will be in the description box below and in your top right corner. Watch this video till the end, and if you like it, do hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel Eduception. Without further ado, let's begin with the first sum. The first sum is from equality of a matrix and it is very simple. If x plus 3y, y, 7 minus x, 4 is equal to 4, minus 1, 0, 4, you have to find the values of x and y. Now, if two matrices are equal, then all of their corresponding elements will be equal. Based on this, we will solve this sum. So first, let me write what is given. So given x plus 3y, y, 7 minus x, 4 is equal to 4 minus 1, 0, 4. Now, as I told you, if two matrices are equal, then all the corresponding elements will be equal. So, x plus 3y will be equal to 4, y will be equal to minus 1, 7 minus x will be equal to 0, and 4 is equal to 4. You can see it. So what we will write? We will write comparing both sides. And what we will get? We will get three equations. Let's write them. First is for the first elements. So we have x plus 3y is equal to 4. Then we will have y is equal to minus 1. So we ultimately get the value of y. And then the third one, which is 7 minus x is equal to 0. So 7 minus x is equal to 0. Now using the second equation and third equation, we can find the values of x and y. Let's do that. So using 2, we have y is equal to minus 1. So we get the value of y. Now using 3, we have 7 minus x is equal to 0. So minus x is equal to minus 7. Hence, the value of x is equal to 7. Simple. So we get the values of x and y. Now we can cross check this with equation 1. So let's do that. Using 1. Let's check the LHS. In the left hand side we have x plus 3y. So x plus 3y is equal to, the value of x is 7 plus 3 into y. The value of y is minus 1. So we ultimately have 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4, and which is equal to the right hand side. You can see for the first element, x plus 3y is equal to 4. So it is cross verified and our answer is correct. So we get the values of x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 1. Simple. Now we will move on to the next sum. Moving on to the second question. If a is equal to 1, 5, minus 2, 3 and b is equal to 0, minus 1, 4, minus 7, you have to find 2a minus 3b. This is also a very simple sum. Let's solve it. What we have to calculate? 2a minus 3b, which will be equal to 2 into the matrix 1, 5, minus 2, 3, minus 3 into the matrix 0, minus 1, 4, minus 7. Now, in the previous video, I told you that if a number is multiplied to a matrix, then all the elements of that matrix gets multiplied by that number. So we will use that over here. So what do we get? We will get 1 into 2, 5 into 2, minus 2 into 2, 3 into 2, minus 0 into 3, minus 1 into 3, 4 into 3, and minus 7 into 3. Let's do the calculations now. 2, 5 2s are 10, minus 4, 3 2s are 6, minus 0, minus 3, 4 3s are 12, and minus 7 into 3, that's minus 21. So what do we get? Matrix subtraction, all the elements will get subtracted in the corresponding places. So we have 2 minus 0, 10 minus of minus 3, minus 4 minus 12, 6 minus of minus 21. So what do we get? 2, 10 minus of minus 3, that's 10 plus 3, 13. Minus 4 minus 12, that is minus 16. And 6 minus of minus 21, that's 6 plus 21, which is 27. So 2a minus 3b is equal to 2, 13 minus 16, 27. It was very simple. Now we will move on to the next sum. Moving on to question number 3, we have given a is equal to 2 minus 1 2 0, b is equal to minus 3 2 4 0, and c is equal to 1 0 0 2. You have to find the matrix X such that a plus x is equal to 2b plus c. Now, whenever you face this sort of a question where you have an equation and you have to find a matrix X, what to do first is that in this equation, keep the matrix X on one side and all the other elements on the other side. So let's do that first. So we have given a plus x is equal to 2b plus c. Now what did I tell you? We will keep x on one side and all the other elements on the other side. So what do we get? We will get x is equal to 2b plus c minus a. Now using the three matrices a, b and c, we can put it over here and we will get the value of matrix X. Simple. Let's do that. So what do we have for x? 2b. So 2 into the matrix B. So 2 into minus 3 2 4 0 plus c, the matrix C, 1 0 0 2 minus the matrix A, which is 2 minus 1 2 0. Now I told you in the previous sum also that if a number is multiplied to a matrix, then all the elements of that matrix gets multiplied to that number. So we will have 2 into minus 3, that's minus 6, 2 into 2, that's 4, 2 into 4, that's 8, 2 into 0, that is 0, plus this matrix 1 0 0 2 minus 2 minus 1 2 0. Matrix addition, let's do that. So what do we get? We will get minus 6 plus 1, so minus 6 plus 1, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0, and 0 plus 2, so 0 plus 2, minus 2 minus 1 2 0. So what do we get? Minus 6 plus 1, that's minus 5, 4 plus 0, that's 4, 8 plus 0, that's 8, and 0 plus 2, that's 2. Minus 2 minus 1 2 0. Matrix subtraction, let's do that. So what we will get? Minus 5 minus 2, 4 minus of minus 1, 8 minus 2, 2 minus 0. So what do we get? The answer x. Minus 5 minus 2, that's minus 7. 4 minus of minus 1, that's 4 plus 1, which is 5. 8 minus 2, that is 6. And 2 minus 0, that is 2. Hence this matrix is the matrix X is equal to X. Answer. Simple. So whenever you have a question in which you get an equation and you have to find the value of a matrix, say for example x over here, so we will put x on one side and all the elements on the other side, then we will do the calculations and get the answer. Simple. Now we will move on to the next sum. Moving on to question number 4, we have find x and y if x plus y is equal to 7025 and x minus y is equal to 3003. Now if you will look carefully, then this is a sum of simultaneous linear equation of matrices. So we will use the method of elimination of simultaneous linear equation to solve this question and get the values of x and y. Simple. So what are the two equations that are given? So given x plus y is equal to 7025 and x minus y is equal to 3003. Now we have plus y minus y, so we can cancel it out. So what we will get? X plus x will give us 2x is equal to this matrix plus this matrix. So 7025 plus 3003. Therefore 2x is equal to, let's add it up. So 7 plus 3, that's 10. 0 plus 0, that's 0. 2 plus 0, that's 2. And 5 plus 3, that's 8. Simple. Now over here we have 2x is equal to this matrix. To find the value of x, we will take 2 to this side, and what will it become? It will become 1 by 2. So x is equal to half, that is 1 by 2 into this matrix. Simple. So 10, 0, 2, 8. Now this is the same thing as multiplying a number to a matrix. All the elements of this matrix will get multiplied to 1 by 2. So let's do that. So x is equal to half into 10, half into 0, half into 2, and half into 8. So we get the value of x as 5, 0, 1 and 4. So we get the value of x 5, 0, 1, 4. Simple. Now we have to find the value of y. Let's do that. So we will use one of the two equations to find the value of y. Let's use equation 1. So using 1, we have x plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. Now what we will do is, we will put y on one side and this matrix and x on the other side. So what do we get? We will get y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 minus x. Therefore y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. Now we have already calculated x over here. We'll just put that over there. So minus 5014. So 5014. So what do we get? Y is equal to 7 minus 5, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 1, and 5 minus 4. So we get the value of y as 7 minus 5, that's 2, 0 minus 0, that is 0, 2 minus 1, that's 1, and 5 minus 4, that is 1. So the value of x is 5014 and the value of y is 2011, and that is our answer. See, this was also very simple. Now we will move on to the next sum. Moving on to question number 5, we have find x and y if x 3x, y 4y into the matrix 2, 1 is equal to the matrix 5, 12. Let's solve it. What is the first thing that we will do over here? We will multiply the matrices this and this. Now in the previous video I told you regarding the rule of matrix multiplication that for matrix multiplication to be possible, the number of columns in the left matrix, that means this one, should be equal to the number of rows in the right matrix, that means this one. Let's check that out. Now in the left matrix, that means this one, the number of columns is equal to 2, and in the right matrix, that means this one, the number of rows is equal to 2. So both are equal, hence matrix multiplication is possible. So we will do that first. We have the equation. Let's write it down first. X, y, 3x, 4y into 2, 1 is equal to 5, 12. Let's multiply it. So I'll draw the arrows for simplicity. We will move thiswards and then downwards. So x into 2, so that's 2x, plus 3x into 1, that's 3x, then y into 2, that's 2y, plus 4y into 1, that's 4y. This is equal to 5, 12. Therefore 2x plus 3x, that's 5x, 2y plus 4y, that's 6y, is equal to 5, 12. Now what we will do? We will compare both sides. So comparing both sides, what do we get? We will get two equations. The first one will be 5x is equal to 5, so we will get x is equal to 1. The second one, 6y is equal to 12, so 6y is equal to 12, so we will get y is equal to 12 by 6, so y is equal to 2. So we get the values of x and y, that is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Simple. Now we'll move on to the next sum. Moving on to the last question of this video, we have given A is equal to 2 0 minus 1 7, I is equal to 1 0 0 1, the identity matrix of order 2, and A square is equal to 9A plus Mi. You have to find the value of M. Now we have the matrix A, we have the identity matrix I, and we have the given equation. We have to finally find the value of M. Now in the equation we have A square. So first let's find that. So A square is equal to A into A. So 2 0 minus 1 7 into 2 0 minus 1 7. Let's do the multiplication. So what we will get? 2 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. 2 into 0 plus 0 into 7. Minus 1 into 2 plus 7 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 plus 7 into 7. So what we will get? 4 plus 0, 0 plus 0, minus 1 into 2, that's minus 2, plus 7 into minus 1, that's minus 7, and then minus 1 into 0, that's 0, plus 7 sevens are 49. So what do we get? The value of A square comes out to be 4, 0, minus 9 and 49. So we get the value of A square. Let me write it over there in the corner. 4 0 minus 9 49. 4 0 minus 9 49. Now let me rub this. Now we have the given equation. A square is equal to 9A plus Mi. Now as we have to find the value of M, I'll put Mi on one side and all the other elements on the other side. So what we will get? We will get Mi is equal to A square minus 9A. So 9A goes over here. Now let's put the matrices. So what we will have? M into I, that is 1 0 0 1, is equal to A square minus 9A. So we have calculated A square, which is 4 0 minus 9 49, minus 9 into the matrix A, which is 2 0 minus 1 7. So what we will have? We will have, now this is the same thing as multiplying a number to a matrix. M will get multiplied to all the elements of this matrix. So we will have 1 into M, that's M, M into 0, that's 0, 0 into M, that's 0, and 1 into M, that's M. This will be equal to 4 0 minus 9 49 minus all the elements of this matrix will get multiplied with 9. So what we will get? 9 into 2, that's 18, 9 into 0, that's 0, 9 into minus 1, that's minus 9, and 9 sevens are 63. Simple. So what we will get? We will get M 0 0 M is equal to 4 minus 18, 0 minus 0, minus 9, minus of minus 9, and 49 minus 63. So what we will get? M0 is equal to 4 minus 18, that's minus 14. 0 minus 0, that's 0. Minus 9, minus of minus 9, that is minus 9 plus 9, which is 0. And 49 minus 63, that's minus 14. So what do we get? M is equal to minus 14, 0, 0, minus 14. So comparing both sides, what we will get? Comparing both sides, we will get M is equal to minus 14, which is our answer. Simple. And you can see 0 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 0, and then again M is equal to minus 14. Simple. Now guys, with the end of this question, we come to an end of the chapter matrices. Now there are many more sums in your textbook, in the sum section also and in the example section also. Try to solve all the sums, and I hope you will find this chapter easy. New videos on EduCeption are coming very soon, so stay tuned. Until then, this is Rishi on behalf of EduCeption signing off, and guys, take care.